got finished washing my hair, and she's using the Queen Helena Cholesterol Hair Conditioning Cream to decondition my hair.
All right, guys, so we're back, and as you all know, it's wash day. Wash days only come about every 3 to 4 weeks for Ladybug. So, as she just stated, we're going to be using the Queen Helena Cholesterol Deep Conditioning Hair Cream. I picked it up in my Walmart for about $3. It is kind of thick. It's not runny, so I'm just going to see how the product works on our hair. As you all know, with natural hair, deep conditioning is a must. And I wash her hair in sections, but I don't leave her hair in sections. So I'm just going to just turn her around, and so you all can be able to see her hair. Like, basically, with natural hair, you need to deep condition the hair. Let me turn her this way so you all can be able to see a better camera shot. And I'm just going to go in makeshift sections and do it like so. So I have a handy dandy spray bottle of water so I can re-wet the hair. And it's best, again, to deep condition the hair in sections. So I'm just gonna take this section and just split it in half like so, and spray the water. Now it is kind of thick. It's not running, so I'm going to see how the slip is, what it needs to be when you're dealing with natural hair, because natural hair needs an excellent conditioner with slip. But we're just going to see how this responds to her hair. And I'm a natural where, I feel that you can get gorgeous on a dime. So, so I'm just in here, just gliding right through. And again, you want to pack some patience. The slip is okay. I'm able to, as you all see, glide right through and just get out all the shed hair. And just go from there. As you all see, just getting out all the shed hair, and it's gliding right out. Does it hurt, Ladybug?
No, ma'am.
And as you all see, she just stated it does not hurt. So that's a must, and that's also a good thing.
But the hair conditioning cream gets in my eyes sometimes.
Oh, her hair is so long. I'm so sorry. So you have to let me know if I'm getting too close to your eye, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I pretty much got this section done right here, and I'm just gonna leave it like so. And it's just good to go ahead and detangle your hair in sections to make sure the product is, again, evenly distributed through. And the reason being is you don't want to cause excess breakage. I'm trying to push her up closer for the camera shot. On unnecessary breakage. And as you all see, when I go through individual strands, the hair just, this tangled hair just slides right out with no problem, just with ease. So detangling is a process. Again, you're going to have to section out some time. And I stress that because you have channels out there that say a 5-minute this, 10-minute that. And I've tried those techniques, and I end up actually causing damage to my hair because they just didn't work for me. I wasn't able to get through all my strands and evenly distribute that product. So I have to give, just be able to, use some extra TLC to work with these sections. So as you all see, I'm able to just glide right through. And I use the term that the hair should be just like butter, like you melting it like butter. And I'm going to take some and really put some on the ends because your ends are the oldest part, and just work the product all the way through. Work it all the way through. right, guys, so we're back. It's been about 45 minutes since I put the hold the product to the camera. Hold it up.
The Queen Cholesterol Hair Conditioning Cream.
And I pretty much left her hair in the Bantu knots when I rinsed it out. So you all may see a little bit of product, but that's fine though. I'm just gonna go ahead and whatever's left in there, we're gonna be using as a leave-in. So I did rinse it out, and now we're on to styling. Let me go ahead and tell you my thoughts. Her hair does feel very soft and very moisturized. So I would recommend this product right here. Pick it up in your local Walmart. It's like less than $3. So I do recommend it.